everybody, my name is Bob and I am with Novatto, and I'm here today excited to talk to you about one of our most intriguing and unique stone vessel sinks that we carry. It is the NOSV-TC, and that is the Terra Cobblestone. So I'm going to go over some product features, some product attributes, and a couple different nuances of it, and just kind of give you a heads up as to what to expect when you open the box. So first off, you can see that it's polished on the inside. It's got a flat rim, but then the outside is not. And that's just basically a natural smooth exterior. It's just a natural boulder. And then we get down to the bottom here, and it's nice and flat, which makes installation really, really easy. You'll just simply put some adhesive on it, and you'll set it on your counter just like so. This one is 18 inches left to right, and it's 14 inches front to back roughly, versus this one is like 17 inches irregular. So you can kind of see right off the bat that there are some general differences, of course, in size, and there's a little bit of difference in color. And that's just because it is Mother Nature, and there's no changing that. But the good thing is we do always send you pictures prior to approval, just to kind of get your approval prior to shipping it out. So when you open up the box, there's no surprises. So it is pretty easy to get two of these. They are, they're not going to be identical, but if you need two of them for like a master bath, that's not a problem. All right, you got the drain, and that is a 1 3/4 inch drain. That's standard. There is not going to be a mounting ring needed or anything like that. You'll simply just need a umbrella drain, and that's going to help fasten it to the countertop as well. We do recommend the umbrella drain simply because it does have a little bit longer thread for you, and that's going to get through your countertop, through the sink, and it also doesn't have an overflow like these don't either. So you'll be good to go after that, because these do weigh a solid like 45 to 60 pounds. So they're going to be one of your heaviest in the bathroom, but also one of the more unique. So these are polished, as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, but you'll still want to seal it just with a glacierized product, for instance. That's basically a nice hydrophobic sealer that we carry in-house here, and it really helps basically seal to the surface and bond with it. And it's a hydrophobic sealer, so it's really going to beat off the water for you. Basically going to allow less water spots, less maintenance for you, and it makes cleaning a lot easier. As you can see, they're really unique. These are great pieces, like for a log cabin, like a bed and breakfast, or even like a master bath. I mean, they're very unique, solid, durable pieces. But if you have any further questions or comments, feel free to give us a call or an email. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks.